Orugo! Oge Jamadike! Nukanu Moku! The moment has come! Abuanya! Abuigwa! Sacrifice. Abala, the great one. Abala, come. What did Jamandi do? Abala is singing. Anama Bogo. Yeah? How can you do that?
Hey.
What did Jamandi do? Go. Come. Abala is singing. The great sacrifice. Come forward. Come. The great sacrifice. Come. Idem mili. Abala. No, mume. Idamile. No, mume. Aiba. No balo mo oku. Opage patalo ngegi. Orugo no mume. Aiba! Remember of this day, it is you that volunteer yourself for this sacrifice. Abala, your sacrifice is ripe. A virgin, of course. Warugana mume. Abuigwa! Abuigwa! Abala, you have become the Iron King. Omega! You have become the Iron King. No man, neither a woman, shall dare your power. Everywhere! Idemile! Abala! 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 Isinganga! Isinganga!
Adam Mama. Obidia. The king summoned me to the palace right now, and I have to go.
Nanya, I don't understand. What exactly does the king want to tell you? You dedicate all your service days to him. You even advise him. The only day you have free to spend with your family, he summoned you again.
Obidia, have you forgotten that I am one of the noblemen in this land? And whenever the king summons, I must answer the call.
A king who does not care? A king drunk in power and almost consumed by his own ego. Is that the king that you should continue to run around for? No. At least sit down and eat your food. Biko.
Obidia, let the food wait and watch your tongue, lest you speak treason. I have to go.
Nay, you worry too much. If the king summon him, let him go. If it's about the food can wait. He will eat whenever he comes back.
At least, he should have waited to eat his food.
Nay, he will eat when he comes back, okay? Or are you missing him already?
Nay, look at you!
Look at you!
Nay, take this food to your father at the palace. He must be hungry by now.
All right, Nay.
I'll see you soon.
All right.
Your Highness, I'm happy for you. You are doing a good job in our kingdom. Look at everywhere. And our people are happy for you.
Nam. Greetings, Your Majesty.
Zimuzo, what are you doing here?
Nne said I should bring lunch to you since you didn't eat before leaving the house.
Come here! Come! Why did you come here?
Nne said I should bring food for you.
I don't need food in the palace. Huh? Do you know what I've cost now?
I'm so hungry.
You have to go back. Take the food back.
Your Highness.
Now go home. Go home. Go.
Your Highness.
Ezekiel, don't tell me this is your daughter.
Your Highness, she's my daughter. She's my daughter. You can now go. You can go.
No, she stays in the palace with me.
No, why?
Guards!
Your Highness, please. She's my only daughter, please. She's my only daughter. I don't have another daughter. Your
Take
Highness,
her
please.
to my
Please.
chambers. She's
No.
today.
Your Highness, please. No. Your Highness, I don't leave Come back. Your Highness, she's my only daughter. Don't do this to me, please. I'm happy, please. Your Highness! Your Highness! How about you come out that wall? Come on. He's a dangerous king. Everyone in the Where are you? Where are you, Godia? You have killed me. You have finished, Godia. I'm finished, Godia. Hey! Godia!
Hey, what is it?
You have killed me, Bobo.
Hey, get up! What is it? What happened? Get up! What is it?
Godia, why did you send Simuso to the palace? Why? Why you go there? You have finished me. You have killed me. Hey,
I don't understand. Hey, have you forgotten that you did not eat before leaving to the palace? I sent Zimuzo to bring you food, and I thought you would appreciate it. Eh?
Godia, may the gods strike you dead. Now, I am childless. I'm gone. I'm finished.
What happened to my Zimuzo? Did the white animal in the bush devour her? What happened to my Zimuzo?
The king has claimed her as one of his prisoners. We are finished.
May the gods forbid.
We are
finished. May the gods forbid.
I was a God
forbid. Arrow! No!
Majesty. Your Majesty. Please, I beg you, in the name of our gods, please, release my daughter from me. She's my only daughter. Don't do this to me. Please, release my daughter. Please.
Please, Your Majesty, release my daughter for me. Please. She's the only daughter that I have.
She's the only daughter we have, please.
Consider it an honor that your daughter found favor in my sight.
Please.
Your Majesty, please.
Allow her to come to us, please.
Stand up. Stand. Azike.
Your Majesty.
Your daughter is fresh, but your wife, very beautiful.
No, Your Majesty, this is abomination. This is abomination.
Yes.
This is my wife. No, Your Majesty.
Take her away.
This is my wife. It's abomination. Can't be abomination. She's my wife. Your Majesty, why? Why? Move it. You can't do this.
Huh?
You animal! I curse you! May the gods of this land strike you down!
But you cannot kill your people. Huh? You cannot kill your people.
Obidia! You killed my wife! You killed my wife! You killed my wife! My only wife! You killed my wife! Iron King!
Your Majesty, can I have a word with you privately?
George, leave. Speak.
Your actions today did not go down well. Your elders murmured. The guards were terrified. You were ruthless. I don't mean to offend you. Believe me. But someone has to speak. I am your queen. The gods expect me to say something. Azike and his wife just died. And you hold their daughter hostage. Don't you have conscience? That little girl!
That little girl is my prize! Yes!
This is wrong. It's evil. You're hardened. This is not the man I married. My father wouldn't have given me to you as a wife.
I cursed your father! Yes! May he rot in his grave! I can now see that you have found a voice.
You don't talk about my honorable father like that.
You remember this. Next time, remember it.
Mother, why are you crying? Mother, talk to me. What is the problem? Mother, why are you crying, Mother? Is it father again? Father, no. Father, please, can I have a word with you?
Eat.
Father, I'm not hungry.
When I say eat, you eat. Sit. Speak.
Father, you are the king of this kingdom, the favored one by the gods. You are the all-knowing, and I do not wish to cancel you and your affairs with my mother, your own wife.
My wife! She is my wife!
We are talking about my mother here!
She's my wife, and don't you ever interfere in anything that concerns my wife and I. Ever. Let this be the last time.
Apologies, Father.
Begin now.
Father.
Drop my gun. Drop it!
Good day, Your Highness.
What's your name?
Your Highness, my name is...
Shut.
Your Majesty, my name is Isioma, and he's my husband, Ndoka.
Yes, I'm her husband. Shh. She's my wife.
Hey! Dave, you are very lucky. You have become my wife. Take her. Stop!
The guy is a dangerous king. Everyone fears him in the community. Young king. Abolishing the guy is a dangerous king. Everyone fears him in the community. Haye mama kuela. Haye mama kuela. Haye mama kuela. Haye mama kuela. The wind is blowing. Things are happening.
Do not do anything to draw attention to yourself.
I don't know what to do. But you can't come for me.
Over here, nobody is coming for you or us. We have become the king's plaything.
No, I want to go!
Hey! Keep quiet. Let me hear your voice again.
Hey, look at me. Look at me. Stop. Stop. I said stop. Stop. Crying will not help you. Over here, the weak dies first. So put yourself together. Stop it.
This thing this king is doing is not fair to our people. It's not. Even our children can no longer find wives to marry. I don't understand. Igwe.
What are we going to do now? Who will help us and protect our land?
I heard that you and some other elders have been conspiring against me in this kingdom.
You're conspiring?
No, we are just discussing.
We have not been conspiring against you, my king. How can we conspire against you? We know that you are a very good man.
I was told that you have had meetings severally in some points in this kingdom. What are you discussing?
My king.
Speak.
Our people are deeply concerned about what is going on in this community. Many of our beautiful maidens are being held hostage here in this palace.
Exactly.
Our young men can no longer find wives to marry. I and the chair here have come to come and plead with you to please release them to their families with your kind heart so that they can be free. That's why we are here, my king.
But now.
My king.
You come into my palace in my kingdom to question my actions.
No,
Yeah?
who am I to question your actions, my king?
You would have waited to let me feed your heads to the bulls. Two of you get rid of that nonsense.
Where is my father?
Something in the
I said move! Be fast! I said pick it! Move! Move for somebody! Pick it!
Who is she?
Her name is Chimoso.
Tell me more about her stories.
The king killed her father and her mother, and she's one of the prisoners.
One of the prisoners?
Yes.
Looking like people who haven't fed for years.
Why would you push them like that? Must you push them before you make a statement?
Stay back.
Stop! What's going on here?
Greetings, my enemy.
What is happening here? Speak!
Just look at this slave.
Alright.
I was trying to make her colleagues to work fast. And she had the audacity, the guts, to stand up to me, to challenge me on what to do and how to do it. And I gave her a dirty slap.
You did what?
Yes, I gave her a dirty slap.
You slapped a maiden. Don't you ever lay your hands on any of these maidens. If you do, you know what I can do. You subject of a beast. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive him, please. Alright? No, please. Very soon everything will be over. Please forgive. Touch any of them again, and you see what I will do.
Leave me.
Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya.
Father, you sent for me.
A child must wait his turn before he dines with the elders. You know, okoro na-eru mala ogodo. Ikuku kuhana. Obulu manyanwa bulu ogode.
Father, you speak in parables. Please, can you speak plainly so that the little one can understand?
Son, the whole kingdom is mine. Choose any maiden, whoever. You will have the backing of your father. But do not ever set your eyes on my prisoners. Those prisoners are mine, and mine alone. I will not warn you again. Let it be the last time. Don't set your eyes on my prisoners. Don't.
Abala! Isinganga! Abala! Abala! Abala isinganga! Abala! Abala! Agbanu dike ke. Agbanu dike ke bu abala. Abala isinga. The great one. Agbala. Isinganga. The great one. Indeed. Agbala. Agbala. You are the Iron King. Yes. The great one. Agbala. Agbigwa. Agbigwa. Ayiba. The great python. Agbala. 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 Isinganga. Agbala. Agbala. Everywhere. Agbala. You have become right. No man, neither a woman, dares your parts. Agbala. Ogbanu dike kebo. Ogbanu dike kebo. Agbala. Ike ebube. Ike ebube. Ebube agụ na-acha agụ. Agbala. The great one. The Iron King. The Iron King unbreakable. The unbreakable one. Agbala. Isinganga. The great one. Isinganga. 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 Oro mume. Isinganga. Agbala. 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 Take it. You shall need this. The time of war. Agbala. Remember to put this in your secret room and call upon it when the moment arose. No one, I repeat, no one dares you. You are untouchable, Agbala. Agbala! You are untouchable. The Iron King. No one dares you. Take it! Ayiba! Ayiba! Agbala! Hey!
Gods, is that not Miriama?
Your Majesty. She's Miriama, the High Priestess. And she's performing the seasonal cleansing of the land.
Bring her to me.
Your Majesty, she's the High Priestess. And no man can touch her. Any man who dares to...
I am not any man. I am Agbala Isinganga.
Your Majesty, she is the food meant for the gods.
Today, she will be my food I will eat for the gods. Get her!
What is it? What is it?
Move! Move!
My king, what is the meaning of this?
Take her to the palace and these two keep them where the rest of the girls are.
What have I done?
Move! Move!
Move!
Move! Now you move! Go! Move! I'm your neighbor. I'm your neighbor.
Take this one to my chambers. These two to the prisoners' quarters.
Move!
No! Please, Your Majesty. Heed to my words. Move. Agbala Isinganga. You cannot lay with her. She will bring doom upon all of us. Please.
Get out of my sight! Get out! Now!
Hale, hale, mama.
mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, 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 mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, 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 mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, 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 mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, 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 mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, 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 mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, 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 mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, 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 mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, halle, mama. Halle, 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 mama. 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 Halle, 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 mama. Halle, halle, mama. It will never be well with you. You are the ghost who forcefully slept with me, the princess of Azusa Kingdom. It will never be well with you. 10 generations after you will reap from this doom. You have incurred the wrath of the gods. On the brother you have brought doom on the people of Azusa Kingdom. Amazing God. You shall die and the ground will reject your body. You shall swell, and the walls of the earth will feast on your flesh.
Shut up!
With the voice of pride, with the voice of pain, with the voice of freedom, we want to be free. That's of our land.
Chioma, are you okay? Wait, give her space. Hey, Chioma, wait, see so that you relax. We need water! Please, we need water!
Will you keep quiet?
May the gods strike you dead! The gods will strike both of you for this wickedness! Please, water, please! Chioma, please. Facing her. Where goes now? Massage her hands! Wait, hit her leg, Hey!
Everyone fears him in the community. Lion King, a body singer guy is a dangerous king. Everyone
Ghost of our land! Abomination! Ghost of our land!
The clouds are changing, evil wind is blowing. Who knows where it's coming from? Yeah.
Kuku, Amanonya. You can't do anything. Mwali, I'm balancing that down.
Hey you, the king needs you right now. This way. I said this way. Move! 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 I said move!
Eyes, calm down.
Mother, it pains me that this started after father hit you. But I know our Chi will not let anything happen to you. Mother, you're a good woman. Please, take it easy on yourself. Please. Do you need anything?
Please.
Mother.
Go and call me one of the prisoners. Her name is Imuzo. Her late mother was a great herbalist. I know she will help me. Go.
Alright, Mother. I'll be right back. Bring her out.
My prince,
let her out.
Your father asks us not to allow any of them out unless he says so.
Are you trying to disobey the prince of this kingdom? Bring her out now!
Out. Be fast.
Please, I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. Go. Mother, here she is.
My queen, are you alright?
My prince, please hurry up and get me Uziza leave.
Uziza leave?
Yes, hurry up, please.
Will that help? Okay, I'll be right back.
My queen, don't worry, you'll be fine, okay? I will squeeze the Uziza leaf for you. And you will drink the water. It will subside the fever. Okay. It's alright, please. You'll be fine.
My prince, please hurry up!
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Ada?
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine. Where are you going to?
My mother, she sent me to the palace to give my father this meal.
Wait, your mother sent you to the palace?
Yes.
I'm even surprised. So your mother doesn't know what is happening.
What's happening, Ada?
Okay, you better turn back. Go back home.
Turn back? Why?
Okay. Once the king set his eyes on you, okay, you are gone. May the gods forbid. It's not a matter of may the gods forbid. Once you go to the palace, you become one of his slaves.
But why now? My father is hungry.
Okay. A word is enough for the wise. If you want, you follow me. If you don't want to listen to me, you go.
Why are you standing this way now? My father is hungry now. What if she's saying the truth?
Ada!
The clouds are changing. Evil wind is blowing. Who knows where it's coming from? Yeah. What are we going to do to restore and let go? If an
Greetings, my king.
You. Bring these two out.
Yes, my king.
Out here.
You, outside. And you, follow me. Follow me. This way. I said this way. Yes, my king. Move. I said move. Move.
Hey,
are you? Move.
Hey,
this way.
Hey, The wind is blowing, things are
Start.
Taking it too.
Move.
Yeah, he's taking her too. Let her go.
Move. Move.
Where are the guards? Can someone talk? Where are the guards?
I do not know. Ikenna, this is not the way to the place we're being kept.
I know. You are not going back there. Take. We need food. Run to Umokwe. You'll find a popular blacksmith called Okite. Tell him that I sent you. Wait for me, dear. I will join you before the nightfall. Right?
Ikenna, thank you, but it's risky. I don't want to embark on such journey, please.
Obin, listen. Don't worry. We are not free here. We need a place that we are free. Okay? Like I said earlier, I will join you before the nightfall. Okay? Now, go.
Okay.
Oh.
Thank you. May the gods be with you. Thank you so much.
Run.
Zemozo. Okaka? Where are you coming from? And why is this prisoner outside?
She went to use herself.
And you decided to go with her?
Yes.
Now take her inside.
Move in.
Zemozo, come out. Zemozo! Zemozo! Where is Zemozo? Where is Zemozo? Zemozo! Where is Zemozo? Where is Zemozo?
I don't know, she was here.
She's not here. Where is Zemozo?
Where's Zemozo?
Zemozo!
Where's Zemozo? Where is she? Can you not talk?
Your Majesty.
What is it? What? Speak!
The prisoner has escaped.
Eh? Which of my prisoners?
Zemozo, Your Majesty.
See her full stamp. Yes, this is the full stamp. Let's go, let's go.
Father.
Ikenna.
Yes, Father.
Who aided Zimuzo's escape?
I don't know, Father.
That's a lie. I can see it in your countenance.
Father, I will never tell you where she is. Father, you're so wicked. The only girl I love, you refuse to set her free for me. You can never set your eyes on her again.
Lies! Ikenna, I will find her. But before then,
Greetings, my king.
Move! Move! This way. Move! Here. On your knee.
Where is she?
My king, her footsteps ends here. We search everywhere, we can't find her.
She's here. She's here. Zimuzo, we know you're here. Come out now. Come out, or I will kill your friend. Bring her here. Zimuzo, I'm going to count 4 market days. If you don't come out, I'll kill her. And I'll kill you too when I catch you. Mpo? Hold it! Apo! Eke!
No! Please!
Majesty, please spare her life. I am here. Please don't kill her.
No! No!
Take her!
No! No!
On your feet.
No!
Move.
The gods will forsake you!
Go.
I curse you! May the gods forsake you! No! No!
Haye mama kuela, haye mama kuela, haye mama kuela, haye mama kuela. The wind is blowing, things are happening. If an emen obodo, a good in obodo, the clouds are changing, evil wind is blowing. Who knows where it's coming from? Yeah. What are we going to do to restore and let go? If an emen, a good in obodo.
Guards, take her back.
Get up. Move.
It's okay. We're going to be fine. It's okay.
Please, it's okay.
We'll leave this cage one day, okay?
Please stop crying, okay?
We're going to be fine.
Son, it ended well. As you go to join our ancestors, Go in peace. Remember, I gave you a befitting burial. Gods, cover him.
I curse you. By the sun above my head and the sun beneath my legs, I curse you. The tears of a grieving mother, I curse you. You will suffer. You will suffer. With the sun above my head and the sun beneath my head, you will suffer. Ganga, the father that killed his own son, may the gods haunt you. You will suffer. The hands will pain on you. They will devour you. My pain will not end. May the hand devour you. May the hand devour you.
Hey. It's tonight or never.
Yes.
It's better we escape or we die here.
Yes.
So how do we do it? They will catch us and they will kill us.
Yes.
In this place we are already dead. It's either we die trying or we die in here. Which do you want?
Are you sure about this?
Who is with me?
I'm with you.
I'm with you.
Tonight or never.
Tonight or never.
Tonight.
Tonight or never!
You see, take this way with the rest of the girls. When you get to Ezeama, you will see Osondu. He will help you from there. I am doing this so that you will come back and avenge the death of my son.
But my queen, why don't you come with us? This is risky. I know that evil man, he will harm you. Come with us.
Don't worry. He's not aware I'm doing this. Go! Stop arguing!
Go, my queen!
Go! Take them.
Thank you so much.
Limuzo, we are here now, so what's the next step?
Limuzo, we have to be fast. I'm tired.
Everybody, I understand that you are tired, alright? But please, we have to calm down now. First, we have to look for Osondo. We'll take it from there, alright?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. We don't know if they are following us all through the night. Stand up, let's go. Please, let's go.
Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya.
This is not going to be easy.
I know. But I have made up my mind. We have made up our minds. Abalai Singanga will go down.
The training starts tomorrow. Try me. You want to try me? Give me your hand. See, if you want to attack an enemy, look at how you're going to pose. This way. Huh? Like this. Don't come this way. Okay. Just like this. Have you seen it? Yeah. No, yeah. Okay. Alright, come this way. Then. Okay. Now show me. Wait. Look at it. If you want to close your hand, this is where to hold your hand. Fold it this way. Fold it like this. Yes, now. Yes, so that if you punch her, it will have weight. Oh yeah? Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, let's go. Pose for a fight. Attack her like a monster. Give me your hand. Hey, Ada, not this way. If you want to attack an enemy, just look at her straight at the forehead. Okay. Focus her forehead. Oh yeah, come. Just strangle her. Did you see it? Oh yeah, do it again. Let me see. Zimuzo.
I should attack her.
Zimuzo, attack her! Attack her like a monster! Struggle her! Struggle her! Yes! This is it! Fast! Come! Go! Let's go! Fast! Faster!
Good. I hope you all are watching. Yes. Okay. What is wrong with you? So you defend yourself. Nkiru, you have to be combat ready all the time. Huh? Okay. I come this way. Okay, let's go. Good one. Come and play with her. No. Change. You saw what I did? Do exactly as I did. Okay. Go. Good one. Now, you stretch your hand like this. Then you focus on the target.
Yes.
You drag it. Can you see me?
Yes.
Did you see it?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Now, let me see you. Hold it this way. Hold it like this. That tree is an enemy. Draw it back. Back. Shoot. Good. Let it rest on your shoulder. Yes. Then you focus on the target. You focus on the target. Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay. Let me what you do.
Here?
Ah, not that way. Let it rest here on your shoulder. Stand firm.
Am I standing perfect?
You're okay like this.
Like it hurts.
It hurts.
ọkwa na nkiri ka na-ekiri bana na-efu mbana n'ike onye si ma ọ bụrụ ome gịnị ịgba nda mere onye ara na nkiri kọgodo ji bụrụ nwanne eyi ọ ya mere agadi nwanyị na nkiri ka nkata mgbe dịbe kwuru hapụ nkiri ka nkata ọ ya ụkpaka mmiri onye ụbịam o rukwe ka o si eru.
Great Osina, greetings to you. We are sent by Osondo. We are here seeking for your help to defeat our king.
Agbali Singanga.
Yes.
The one you seek to conquer.
Yes, great one.
However, I have ritual to perform on somebody. nwoke ike ịgba nda ife amasị esi amahụ ya gịnị ka a ga-eme ya maka na agwa mmadụ ibe ejichi ọgaranya ọ sị ka ya bụrụkwa ogbenye ya bụ nwoke ike oge na-abịa onye ọ mere nkịrịka nkata ji bụrụ oyi agadi nwaanyị jidie ọbanye ọbịa egbe m ọbanye ya banye ịgba m jidesi ike agụ eke gagburu iji ikpeazụ ịgba nwanyị ekwere ekwu eziokwu nọ nkirikiri ka a na-ekiri mba na defo mbana n'ike maka na okirikiri ka a na-agba ukwu ose adadị ukwu ose enu mere onye ara na nkiri ka obodo ji bụrụ nwanne ọbịa jidie banye agba ọkụ o si mee onye si ma ọ bụrụ ome gịnị ekwere ekwu na nkiri ga-abụ n'afọ udere ịgbaka omekwe ịgba jidie ọba ego hey agụ eke agụ eke ya jidie orukwe ka o si eru onye si na ọbụrụ ome gịnị mere ugwu maga jiji ọgụ na obodo ikwi
Great Osina, who is that person over there?
Obidike. He's neither living nor dead. He's neither a human being or a spirit. He is a man filled with vengeance, waiting for his time.
Great Osina, that's the kind of person we need. Yes. He is the kind of person we need to win this battle and conquer. Yes.
Unfortunately, you don't choose Obidike. Obidike chooses his battle. Now come, kneel down here for your fortification. Ịgbanda oke osime arụkwa na afọ ndị mmụọ achọghị dị na achọ ihu jụbịa akata zụba agụgụ egberigberiche jee ije n'ogwu akịna enebe oke anya n'ọnụ abịka o ji ihe nwa ala iya o mekwe ka o si eme egbe young king. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Our young king. Yeah, yeah. He's the God of war. Yeah, he's a child of God.
Go! Inform the king.
Be at alert. Be at alert, okay?
They had the guts to invade my palace, my kingdom. Oh! ko si me. Okpaka mi ro nyo biam. Ekwere ekwu. Nkiri ka na-ekiri mbara ade ho mbara n'ike. Onye si ma oburi o megini. Aka de zuba agugo. Egbe. O ko si me. Agweke, we can nakpo. How come these girls failed in the battle?
The power we stood against today was not an ordinary power. Agbala Isinganga is not a mere mortal. We need Obidike now. It is now or never.
But I've already told you. Obidike answers no one. Not even me. Not anyone. Ogwalu ko si mena nkiri ka na-ekiri mbara na de ho mbara n'ike. Eyi nkanki iteji esi nkapu. Iya meru ugwu magara jije ọgụ na be ndị mmụọ. Ọkụ osi mee maka na arụkwu a na-afụ ndị mmụọ.
I was told that you are a great man. I have come to you for you to help me, for you to help my people. Please, help me avenge the death of my parents. Help me avenge my dear friend, Ikena. Help me free my people from the hands of our wicked king. Please, I beg of you. I beg you with everything dear to you. Help us. Please. Please.
Okay.
Brother, why are you shouting my name that
Go
loud?
in there and pick your belongings. You are leaving this community now.
Why, brother?
Igwe is going around forcefully taking all the young ladies in this community.
Hello!
Go in there and pick your kids and leave here.
Okay. Hurry up.
Can you imagine? Our kingdom is now going through a lot. I am now the one doing the homework while my sisters are rest.
My sisters no longer go to the market nor fetch firewood these days. I'm the one doing everything. Me, I'm tired. My mother forbids them.
You don't mean it? I wonder what our kingdom is turning into.
May God save us.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty. We've searched the entire market. No sign of any young maiden. Only old women and men.
I think I have to visit. No, I must visit the Zikoje. Yes. Listen, go back, search all the homes.
Bring me all the female maidens here. All of them. Go now!
The battle may have been lost, but the war has not been won. Makanifa dinono ntiade zuike. This is the time. Agweke, this is the time. Agweke, this is the time. This is the time. This is the time. Makana kiri kane kiri manade umbanike. Ye jamadi ke rukwe. Agweke. Akona we fedi bona me. Oge ruko sieru. Hey. Oye ni amweza da tafu. Makana sada taki. Yeah. Orukwe konseru. Hey. Oye nana bia na rugo na speak. Agweke. Orukwe konseru. Me oje burugi. Ayagana ru. Yeah.
Though we failed at first, but we are ready to try again. If we perish, then we perish.
Azuka!
Let's go.
What's it? I found Azuka dead. Enemies are here. I'm going to inform the king.
Okay.
Top, you're dead. Now go down. Go down!
It's okay. It's okay.
Go down. You killed my people. You understand?
Can you go?
How dare you come to my kingdom to attack me?
I'm not scared of you.
You are going to be fed to my python.
I don't care. I don't care.
You die.
I will not die once.
Move! 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 Go! I said move!
Today you die, I shall feed you to my python.
And you will not kill me twice. I would never be scared of you.
You shall see.
Move!
Where's my snake?
Your Majesty.
Huh? Where is it? Abali Singanga. What are you doing with my snake? I waited this long. I waited this long to become a man. In order to face you, man to man. Man! Ibudike! Onya! No, Obedike, I'm going to send you back to where I sent your father and your mother.
Lies! Lies! Wale Singanga. I have known the things. Yes, you know even more. Yes.
God's angry with you, you will die.
Odememe! Mban! Mban!
This is for my innocent mother. This is for my father. This is for your son, Ikenna, whom you took his life. This is for all the innocent blood you have shared in this community. Your body will be fed to vultures. Vultures will devour on you.